Hey everyone, Steve Robotham coming down here checking some ice conditions. It's Wednesday, I don't know what it is, January 6th, something like that. Down here at the second line of Oro. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's water moving. Take a look here. She's still wide open. That's not what we're all wanting, but be patient, it'll come. A little too much wind, the water wasn't quite ready, still a little warm. A couple more cold nights, some still nights. Well, the forecast isn't looking so hot for it right now, but it'll come. What do you do? Ninth line of Oro, Wednesday, January 6th. So we're here at the next spot, Tudhope Park, Lake Couchiching, Aurelia. Finally some hope. Looks like there's some guys out here. I'm gonna take a little walk. Brought my auger, brought one rod, just in case. We'll give it a go. Looks like decent ice. I'm gonna hug the shoreline for a minute till I get out here. I'll drill and measure, let you guys know what's going on. All right, so drilled the first hole, not far from shore. Just want to see what we're dealing with here before I venture out. What we're looking at right now, hook the bottom there. We've got 5.5 inches of ice. Which is more than I was expecting, but not a total surprise. The lake's a lot shallower, a lot smaller. It would have froze few days ago, and then those cold nights we had with no snow would have built that ice up. But just because it's 5.5 inches here close to shore doesn't mean it's going to be 5.5 inches out there. So let's have a peek. So making my way out a little further. You can see I'm still not very far. The ice is pretty sketchy right here. You can see where when it first started to form, the wind was blowing it in. Looks like it's tightened up. Looks a little sketchy, but we'll see. I'm gonna pop a hole right here. Don't even need to. You can see the cracks going down there. You still got, even where it looks sketchy, 3-4 inches at least of good black ice. I'm gonna take my time crossing here, make sure we're good. Got the float suit on. Make sure you take precautions. I'm by myself, which I wouldn't recommend at first ice, but you know, got the right safety equipment, got my picks in my pocket. There's some other guys out here too, if I need to holler. Hope I don't need to holler. Alright, so I'm significantly further out now, into a spot I liked. Punching holes on the way out here. The lowest I found was 3 inches. For the most part, it's been 4 to 5. Out here. Looked on the bottom. About 4 inches. Right here, so that's good clear ice though. Alright, so I'm out here pretty good distance now, almost by the green can, if you can see that, off Tudhope. This is the last spot I'm going to drill today. I didn't come out to fish, I just came out to check the ice. I've got a line down, but just for a few minutes I gotta go. So I'll show you here the ice. Not right. That wasn't hooked properly. Hooked on the bottom there. So that's about 4.5 inches. That's what I found for the most part. 4.5 inches. Found one spot under 4, one spot almost 6, but for the most part it's been about 4.5. Good black ice. Which is good, but definitely with the weather the next little bit, if you're coming out, exercise caution, be safe. You know, come out with someone, wear your float suits, bring your ice picks. You know, warmer weather and a lot of current out here. So if you come out, have fun, be safe, enjoy.